Okay, guys, I hope you can hear me. Um, this will be Commonwealth and I'm sorry, United Kingdom and China, turn three. All right. So we have 45 to spend. All right, and we're gonna buy um, four for tactical, or Jesus Christ, four for tech. Buying one, two, three, four, five, six infantry, and two artillery, and that's every bit of 45. All right, so I got them right here. I'm just going to put them right out of the way. All right, so we got some attacks to do. All right, so um, on this side here, okay, we're bringing a battleship from 52, two destroyers, two cruisers. All right, and a fighter going 1, 2, with a tactical off of here, which is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're going to land on the aircraft carrier, which I'll just bring it there anyway. Or no, the tactical will be there. The aircraft carrier, the fighter is going to go 1, 2, 3. It's going to take out that transport. Okay. All right. And then I'll bring well, I'm just going to go ahead and bring the transports too while I'm at it. Okay. Two transports, and they're coming with an artillery and an infantry on each one. Okay, from Ethiopia for each one. All right. So, okay. All right. Over here, um, we're going to bring in one tactical bomber and four fighters to attack Italian Libya. All right. And in Egypt, I'm bringing in an artillery and two infantry. Hopefully that'll work. Okay. Um, Over here, we're taking the aircraft carrier, going 1, 2, and they're going to come into Italian Libya also with the two fighters. So they're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then they're going to land back on the aircraft carrier. One battleship bombard, two cruiser bombardments. All right. And one destroyer is going up north to A20. So one destroyer is going up to A20. All right. And one destroyer is coming in here. All right. The transport is picking up one infantry and artillery from Gibraltar and bringing it into Libya. Okay. All right. So that's that battle. Okay. And basically, that's it. Okay. Oh, and the transport comes over here too. All right. Matter of fact, this infantry is going to stay on Gibraltar, and I'll take the infantry over from Malta and put it there. Okay. All right. So those look like it for the battles. Um, all right. So this one here is an auto kill. So that's gone. Plane's going to come back and land on the carrier. I'll just put it there. All right. Over here you have a destroyer versus my fleet. So, and what we'll do is we'll do a tactical strike first on the destroyer and see what happens. So, all right. See if that works. Oh, destroyer's dead, so I don't have to do the rest of the fleet. So this destroyer, Japanese destroyer, that was in 53, is gone. All right, and that bomber lands on the ship. All right. Okay. Over here. All right. So you got a tank, mech, and an infantry, and I think you got an artillery. Yep. All right. So I'm going to have one, two, three, four, five, six fighters and a tactical, and I'll take strike on that tank. No, you know what? I'm not even gonna bother. Yeah, yeah, I'll do the tactical strike on the tank. So let's get that over with. And I hit the tank. Cool. All right, so your tank is out of the battle. All right, so that leaves you one, two, three twos. All right. So that'll leave you three twos. One, two, three twos. All right. Now I've got an infantry and an artillery. And six fighters. One, two, three, four, five, six. All right. Two cruiser bombardments. One, two, and two battleship bombardments. Or one battleship, I'm sorry, bombardment. And oh, that should be plenty. You know what? And then, hmm, one, two, three. No, I want to use that somewhere else. All right, so that I don't need to use it there. That should be plenty. All right, so here's my roll. Two twos for the infantry artillery, six planes, one, two, three, four, five, six, two cruisers and a destroyer. I mean, at a battleship. And I got one, two, three, four, five, plenty hits. All right, and you're three. And you got one hit. Okay, so I'll lose an infantry. All right, so this one goes to Commonwealth, England. All right, and these three, the tanks there, these three are dead. And I got an artillery left, and I lose an infantry. That's deleted. All right, this battle is you have one infantry. I've got two infantry and a all right, one infantry. I got two paired, and you have one infantry, and I have one not paired. So it happens, and I got one hit with the one. Wow, and yours missed. Oh my God. Rick and Bill's been getting hammered. So this guy's lost. This one goes to England. All right. Well, I guess that would be considered an attack, right? So I guess I'll move that tank down there. All right. And it goes to England, so he's going to go actually one to that, and back up to Ethiopia. So that's 2, 1, 2. I guess you can do that maybe. If not, I'll put it back there. Let me know, Bill. All right. So that's the end of the battles. Okay, the fighters going on this aircraft carrier, and 1, 2, 3, and this TAC. TAC will stay in Egypt. This one will go here on this fighter. All right, and either way, it doesn't matter. Then I'll have fighter 2, 3, 4. And 4. But I got my planes too, so you can have it there. Are you going to go there? All right. All right. And then the cruise destroyer goes here. All right. So all the movement's done on this side. This movement's over here. Okay. So over here, I'm taking my tank to Yunnan. All right. And then 1, 2, 3 infantry, and then British AA. All right, to Yunnan, and one guy from Burma. Nah, he'll stay there. That'll be all right. I'm going to rail 6 British infantry. To Yunnan. Okay. All right. And stay there. British guys there. I got 2 AA. Okay. Then we have a convoy here. So I'll roll that convoy afterwards because I can't get to it. Okay. All righty. And that looks like it's it. Okay. So for placement of units, I got 1 free guy for India. All right. Artillery in Iran with 2 infantry. Okay. Another artillery in Iran with 2 infantry. All right. And 1 infantry is going into Egypt. All right. Okay. So for deposition. All right. So on this side, Burma's got 1 infantry. East Burma's got 1 infantry. Calcutta has got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 infantry. Okay. Calcutta's got 7 infantry. No, I'm sorry. 9 infantry. 2, 4, 6, 8. 9 infantry, 2 AA, and 1 Commonwealth infantry. Yunnan has got Yunnan has got 9 infantry, 1 AA, and 1 tank. Okay. And we'll move these guys over here. So we'll get them in the back row. All right. Okay. And then we'll go over here. Iran's got 2 infantry. All right, and an artillery. Iraq has same thing, 2 infantry. All right, and a French guy and artillery. All right. Ethiopia's got a tank. Anglo-Egyptian Sudan, the bomber is flying up to here. All right. We're also, we bought an air base, so the air base is also coming in here to Egypt. All right. So Cairo, Egypt has an air base, a naval base, and a factory. They got 2 artillery, 1 tank, all right, 1 TAC, 4 fighters, a mech, 3 infantry, and a bomber. Okay. Egypt, Al Alamein has an artillery and 2 infantry. Italian Libya has an infantry. In Sea Zone 35, I've got an aircraft carrier with 2 fighters, a battleship, 2 cruisers, a destroyer. Okay. Malta's got 1 AA, and I also have a British transport there with the American cruiser and American transport. All right. Gibraltar has 2 infantry plus the other guys. All right. Sea Zone 20 has a destroyer. Okay. On United Kingdom is 2 Commonwealth, 1 mech, 1 infantry, French fighter, and 5 AA. All right. So that's it for that. Okay, for collecting of income. All right. British are sitting at 39, because this calendar is off 1. So actually it's plus 1 here, but it's 39. So I have 39 on the tracker. 39 plus, for bonuses, I have Iraq, I have Iran, I control Egypt, Al Alamein, Transjordan. All right, you got that. So I'll get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for that. So I'll collect 48 for England next turn. All right, on to China. China had 11. All right, so China has 11, and they're going to buy they're going to buy 3 infantry for 9, and I'll save them 2. You know what? We have 11, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I'll buy two Chinese infantry and 1 Chinese AA. So that'll be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That'll be 10, and I'll save 1. All right, so that's what I'm going to buy. All right, so I'll put my buys there. All right, basically I have 1 attack. I took the fighter from Burma, go 1, 2, and 3 cavalry to attack your 2. You have 2 infantry there, from what I understand. I think they only have one, Bill. You know, I put two there. It's on my board, John said, but it's one because you just moved one guy over. All right. So I'm just going to attack that with two cavalry. All right. And this cavalry, um, uh, yeah. So this cavalry on its turn is going to go 1, 2 up to Sichuan. Um, I'm going to move one infantry into Kansu, two infantry into Kansu. I'll leave one back here. Um, yeah, that looks good. Probably attack them anyway by air. You know, I'll just move one. I'll leave two back here. All right, so one's here in Kansu, two back here. All right, so that's my only battle. All right, so I have two twos and a three. All right, and you have 1, 2. So here's my attack. And I got a hit and a hit. And here's yours. And you got a hit. Okay. So China will get Queen Chow back. All right. And you lose your infantry. And delete. And then I lose one cavalry. And I take that with the cavalry. The fighter is going to move to Yunnan. All right. And all the infantry are moving to Yunnan. And our AA is moving to Yunnan. And I'm going to place that other 8A in Yunnan. Sometimes a bitch trying to place these guys. All right, so they're there. And the artillery moving over to Yunnan. All right, I'm placing, one infantry from Yunnan is going to go into North Indochina. One infantry here is going to stay in Quinsu. All right, this infantry is going into Yunnan. All right, so that's what I got. So, all right, for the Japanese, I have 1, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 infantry. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 artillery, 2 AA, and a fighter in Yunnan. In Quanchao, I have 1 cavalry. In Shuichuan, I have 1 cavalry. In Kinsu, 1 infantry. Shinaka, whatever it is, has got 2 infantry. Quincy, Quinsock, whatever, it's 1 infantry. North Indochina is 1 infantry. And that's it. I will collect whatever's on the board down there, but I got 2, 3. So I'll gain 4 on the NOs. So Chinese territories controlled. So it's 7. All right. Seven for that. And huh. So it's +4. So it's +4 plus 7. 7. So I'll get 11. And I saved one, so I'll have 12 on the next turn. All right. I think that's it. So we'll see how well this does.